Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Tradesman Level 1 equipment group included, Sirius XM satellite radio, carpet floor covering, front and rear floor mats, rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, diamond black crystal pearl coat, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, quick order package 26A Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVTe torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, DFV, front fog lamps, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front center seat cushion storage, 3 rear seat head restraints, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum polished painted included, tires 275/55 A20 all-season LRR and sport appearance package included, grille surround 1 body color text.